What's up guys, this is Vinay. So in this tutorial we will learn how can we create a simple Selenium script in our Python IDE, that is PyCharm. Okay, and then we will run that Selenium script in our Chrome browser. Okay, I will open PyCharm. It's already open, I think, in my taskbar. Yeah. So already one project is there. You can see untitled one. Then one package is there. You can see that is basic. Then what I will do, I will add one Python file in my current package, that is basic. Okay. Yeah. Like this, you can add one Python file. You can name it like anything, like TestChrome and Selenium. So like this, you can create your Python file. Yeah. So before start this script, what we have to do, we have to download Chrome browser from the official Selenium site, and then we will place that Chrome driver in our local folder. Okay, and then we will try to give that path in our script. Okay, so I already opened that official Selenium site in my Chrome browser. You can see, and here you can see Google Chrome driver latest release. I will click on this part. This is the Chrome driver 241. You need to click this. You need to download Chrome Win 32. Okay, it's a small one, 3.4 MB. I already downloaded my local. You can see I already extracted. Okay, so this thing you have to do before writing the script. Okay, the basic idea that we need to provide the path. So here we will start our script. So from it is a basic syntax, from Selenium import webdriver. Okay, so this is importing our webdriver. So like this, we have to write in our ID. Okay, so now what we will do, we will give path of our downloaded Chrome driver. So like this, I created one variable like chromedriverlocation, and like this you can open, you can copy your path from here. Okay, and now you can paste there. So like this, you can learn Python also. Like we will create like variable like this. Okay, now I will just modify the path according to the syntax. Okay, yeah. So after this, what I will do, I will import OS package. Okay, why I'm doing like this, I will tell you. We have to provide this OS in our environment. Okay, and in that environment we'll provide our that Chrome driver path. Okay, like this you have to write inside this environment webdriver.chrome.driver. Okay, do not do any mistake here. It should be like this only. After this, I will pass my Chrome driver location in this environment. Okay, now I will create one variable like driver is equal to webdriver dot Chrome, and we will pass our driver location there. Okay, so what we have done here, we have provided our Chrome driver path in our environment, then we have passed that driver location in our webdriver. Okay, so now we will pass one URL. So I can open this URL Google only. I will open here so that no mistake. Okay, I have passed that URL here. So we are all set now. Okay, we will run like this, run test Chrome, you do right click and you will get this option. So it should work. Yeah, it open our Chrome driver, our Chrome browser, and then here it should pass google.com, correct? Yeah, so this is a basic idea how we can open Chrome browser in our PyCharm through Python. Okay, now we will see how class I am creating. As of now, what we have done, we create simple script there and we run it directly. No need of creating class or method. Now I am just telling you how you can create one class and then you put that script inside your method. Then you can create an object of your class and then you can call that method. Right? So might be you have done this thing in Java or .NET. Now we will see how we can create that class and method in our Python. Okay, so this is the syntax. You can see class TestChromeSelenium. Okay, like this you have to give any class name, you have to close it, colon, and like this. So this is the thing that you have declared one class. Okay, now you will create one method. So declaring method will start from def definition run test. I created one method like run test, and inside this parameter is self. So self, if you know Python, I'm just telling in a brief. Self is for if you want to call the argument parameter of a method, you need to provide self. So run test is my method. Okay, so this is a basic idea how we can create class and all. Then you need to customize your space and all. It's very important in PyCharm. Okay, so we are all set. We created one class, we created one method. Now what we will do, we will create one instance of our class. Okay, how we will create, you can see here. This is our class. So like this I created testchrome. So it's very easy. There is no need to write class name then object is equal to class name. So it's very easy. There is no need to create a full variable kind what we are doing in Java. So here testchrome.runtest. We are calling our method. What is method? Method is our runtest. Okay, so what we have done, create one class, create one method, create an object of class, then calling the method through that object. Okay, so we are all set. Now we can run this test. Okay, okay, here so it opened our Chrome browser. Yeah, it opening our URL. Okay, so this is all about how we can create a simple script in PyCharm. Then we saw how we can open our Chrome browser. Okay, so in next tutorial we will see how to open a IE browser. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.